That's the cave now being all yessoed, plastered. Hoses finished today. You'll see the amount of work that's had to go into this. But it'll look great once it's all done. Take a few days to dry and then Mark will be in to paint it. One of the dig out areas. And through into the master bedroom.
Excuse me.
There's a couple of areas in here. But the whole purpose of doing this was obviously we had to get the light tunnels put in. And we've got all the cables behind for the television. We're through to twin 2. Probably echo a bit in here. So there's first light tunnel. We still to get the tubes in and get the window put in, so we've got it covered there above to save anything coming through. And there's Mio, our friendly cat, who's having fun. You having fun, Mio? You having fun? Go through into the kitchen area. We did quite a bit in here. That's where we dug out for the shelf in there. That's going to be great to get all the plates etc. in there. So that's turning out great. Still to get lights in there. And then pan you around into bathroom 3. Did a dig out there. And take you through into twin 2 where there's another light tunnel being done in here. And Mark did that dig out there, so that's come out great as well. Just been all done today, so it'll take a few days, as I say, to dry. But it'll look great. Never thought I was going to say that I'm having to get this done, but I'm sure when it's all dry and it's all been painted, we'll see a massive difference. And here's Mio, the cat. Hey Mio, what are you doing? He doesn't normally get in here obviously, but he's running and having some fun. So the next video I'll be posting will be when it's all been painted. He's looking to give Mark a little fright there. So there you go, that's the cave being now plastered. Thankfully after waiting 3 weeks, but that's it, done. Now it's just drying time and then get the work done above the cave. But I'll keep you updated.